So our final requirement is to change the menu item My Account to Account. I'm going to go back to our homepage. My Account is up here. So what we're going to do is basically override the English translations for certain pieces of text. So practically what we're going to do here is enable English translation. This will allow us to add to and override any English bits of text that can be translated. So the first thing we have to do is set English to be able to be translated. So we can do that on the languages page. Here we have English. Let's click Edit. And we're going to check Enable Interface Translation to English and Save Configuration. Now let's go back up to Regional and Language and click User Interface Translation. If you look down here, there's a series of strings, all of which can be translated. There's a ton of these, but we can search for the one that we want with the string contains here. It says the search is case sensitive. So let's type in My Account verbatim and click Filter. Okay, so here's the source string and we can translate it. So let's put account instead. Let's click Save. And now when we go back to the home page, instead of My Account, it says Account.